Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly unique for anime fans and jewelry lovers alike: the best Potara Earrings Clip On. If you're someone who appreciates anime-inspired accessories or is looking for a stylish gift, these Potara earrings might just be what you've been searching for. These earrings are perfect for anyone who loves anime and wants to add a bold statement piece to their wardrobe. Designed with both men and women in mind, the Potara clip-on earrings stand out with their exquisite craftsmanship. Made from 925 silver-plated material, these earrings feature beautiful agate beads that come in a range of eye-catching colors, including red, white, black, green, and even the ocean blue, a shade that resonates with the vibrant hues of your favorite anime characters. What makes these earrings even more special is their clip-on design, which means you don't need to have pierced ears to wear them. Whether you're cosplaying or just adding a quirky piece of jewelry to your outfit, these clip-on earrings are lightweight, comfortable, and sure to make a lasting impression. The drop shape and the bright agate beads not only provide a pop of color but also swing with every movement, adding a touch of swag to your style. Whether you're heading out for a casual day with friends or looking to elevate your outfit for an anime convention, these earrings are versatile enough to suit any occasion. And, if you're hunting for a unique gift for an anime lover or someone special, these earrings would definitely be appreciated. What's also great about these Potara clip-on earrings is their unisex appeal. They are designed to be worn by anyone, regardless of gender, and they add a touch of elegance with their minimalist yet bold design. So whether you're gifting them to a friend or treating yourself, these earrings will easily become a favorite in anyone's collection. So, if you're ready to level up your style with something both fashionable and fun, look no further than the best Potara earrings clip-on. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and remember to like and subscribe for more great product reviews.